having a dash cam in your car is like having a silent witness on every trip. It can protect you in accidents, disputes, and insurance claims, and even capture unexpected moments on the road. In this video to the best dash cams, we'll compare video quality, features, and ease of use, so you can drive with extra peace of mind. If you want to see the price and find out more information about these products, you can check out the links in the description below. And make sure you like the video, subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon for future updates. Without further ado, let's get started with the list. Starting our list with number 5, we have the REDTIGER F7N Plus Dash Cam. If you want a dash cam that truly has your back in daily driving and in emergencies, the REDTIGER F7N Plus is built for you. The front camera records in Ultra HD 4K, while the rear captures in 1080p, helping you clearly read road signs, lane markings, and license plates. With a 170-degree front and 140-degree rear wide-angle view, you cover more of the road and reduce blind spots, which is crucial when you need solid evidence after a collision. You can connect the dash cam to your smartphone via built-in Wi-Fi and use the REDTIGER Cam app on iOS or Android. From there, you're able to view and replay footage, download clips, trim or edit them, and share important moments or scenic drives with friends, family, or your insurer in just a few taps. Built-in GPS logs your route, real-time speed, and location. With every recording later, you can review your drives on Google Maps through the app or with the Windows Mac GPS player, giving you extra proof if an incident occurs. Loop recording keeps the camera rolling even when the memory card is full by overwriting the oldest footage, while the G sensor automatically locks and saves videos when it detects a sudden impact so they won't be erased. A 24-hour parking monitor with time-lapse recording can watch over your vehicle while it's parked, giving you protection even when you're away from your car. At number 4, Terunsoul D016 Dash Cam. If you want a dash cam that really has your back in any situation, the Terunsoul D016 is built for you. It records both front and rear in sharp 4K, so you get clear, detailed footage of what's happening ahead and behind your vehicle. The 170-degree ultra-wide front lens can cover up to 6 lanes of traffic, helping you capture more critical road details in every clip. You're ready to go right away thanks to the pre-installed 128GB memory card. Loop recording keeps footage continuous, while the built-in G sensor automatically locks videos when it detects a collision so they can't be overwritten. Need to save something manually? Just tap the lock button for one-touch emergency protection, and you can still expand storage up to 512GB for long trips. Super Starlight Night Vision with enhanced wide dynamic range and sharper night vision tech keeps colors vibrant and details clear even in challenging lighting, making nighttime and bad weather recordings much more reliable. For evidence, dual-band 5.8 GHz and 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi let you connect to the Terunsoul app on your iOS or Android phone, where you can view live video, download clips at high speed, share them with family or insurance, and manage settings or firmware wirelessly. Built-in GPS shows your real-time speed and compass on the 3-inch IPS screen and stamps route, location, and speed onto your videos. Later, you can review everything via the app or free GPS player on your computer, giving you solid proof whenever you need it. Number 3, we have the REDTIGER F7N Touch Dash Cam. If you want a dash cam that quietly has your back every mile, the REDTIGER F7N Touch is built for you. The front camera records in sharp 4K Ultra HD with a Starvis 2 sensor and a wide 170-degree view, while the rear captures 1080p Full HD with a 140-degree angle, giving you broad coverage of the road ahead and behind. With wide dynamic range and high dynamic range plus enhanced night vision, your footage stays clear and usable in low light, bad weather, and tricky contrast. You can stay focused on driving while staying in control. Voice commands let you lock emergency videos, turn on Wi-Fi, or capture a moment hands-free. The responsive touchscreen makes it easy to review clips, change settings, or snap a quick photo. And physical buttons are still there if you prefer a more traditional feel. Connect via the REDTIGER Cam app on Android or iOS to view live video, download clips at up to 20 megabytes per second, tweak settings, and share key moments with friends or your insurance company. Built-in GPS adds your route, speed, and location to each recording for stronger evidence later. With loop recording and the included 128GB card, The camera automatically overwrites the oldest footage, while the G sensor locks videos when it detects a sudden impact or hard break. If you want reliable, hands-free protection and clear proof when it matters, this dual dash cam makes every drive more secure. At number 2, Rove R2-4K Dual Dash Cam. If you want full coverage of every drive, the Rove R2-4K Dual Dash Cam is built to watch your front and rear at the same time. The front camera records in sharp 4K, while the rear records in 1080p at 30 frames per second, giving you clear footage of what's happening ahead and behind. With a 150-degree ultra-wide front view and 140-degree rear view, you capture more of the road and surrounding lanes in every clip. You also get strong performance in tough lighting. The front f1.5 aperture and rear f1.8 aperture let in more light, helping deliver brighter, clearer, and more detailed video at night or in low-light conditions. Built-in dual-band 5 GHz and 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi lets you connect to the Rove app on your iPhone or Android. You can instantly preview recordings, download videos to your phone at speeds up to 20 megabytes per second, share clips with friends or insurance, and adjust camera settings or update firmware over the air. The integrated GPS displays your real-time speed and compass right on the 3-inch IPS screen, while also recording your route, location, and speed directly onto the video files. Later, you can use Rove's free GPS player on your PC or Mac to review everything with map data. If you want clearer evidence, easier sharing, and more peace of mind on every trip, this dual dash cam becomes a reliable co-driver. And finally, the number 1 of our list, Viofo A229 Dash Cam. If you want a dash cam that doesn't miss the important details, the Viofo A229 is built to keep your drives covered. Its advanced dual-channel high dynamic range recording reveals sharp 2K detail from both front and rear, even when traffic is moving fast or lighting is harsh. License plates, lane markings, and street signs stay clearer, while true 1440p resolution and enhanced color accuracy make every frame easier to review. With the front camera recording at up to 60 frames per second, motion looks smoother and exposure stays balanced in changing conditions. You stay in control without taking your hands off the wheel. With 12 built-in voice commands, you can take a photo, lock a crucial clip, turn on Wi-Fi, or switch camera views just by speaking. Clear voice notifications alert you to setting changes or memory card issues, so you're never caught off guard. The quad-mode GPS locks onto 4 satellite positioning systems to deliver precise location, speed, and time data when you play footage back in the Viofo app or on your computer. Thanks to upgraded 5 GHz Wi-Fi, you can quickly preview, download, and share clips, or adjust resolution and recording duration right from your phone. If you're serious about having reliable video evidence every time you drive, this compact dash cam becomes a powerful part of your safety setup. As always, you will find all the links of these products in the description below. Comment below and tell us which dash cam you are considering. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, then like and share this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more amazing videos like this.